modern masterpiece in harmony with nature. Rainforest Open Air Residence. Introduction: a home that blends with nature. Welcome to the Decor Essence YouTube channel. In the world of contemporary architecture, the Rainforest Open Air Residence stands as a modern masterpiece, elegantly designed to seamlessly blend into its lush, natural surroundings. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through this extraordinary home, showcasing how it harmoniously integrates with the rainforest, creating a living space that feels both luxurious and deeply connected to nature. Whether you're interested in eco-friendly design, sustainable living, or just want to see how the beauty of nature can be incorporated into modern architecture, this residence will inspire you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Decor Essence for more design inspirations, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Creating the vision, architecture meets nature. The Rainforest Open Air Residence is more than just a house, it is a concept where architecture and nature coexist as one. Designed with expansive glass walls, the home embraces the natural environment, allowing the beauty of the rainforest to become part of the living space. The architects have carefully crafted every detail of the house to ensure that it doesn't overpower its surroundings but enhances them. By using transparent materials like glass and incorporating natural stone and wood, the residence creates an unobstructed visual flow, blurring the lines between the indoors and outdoors. open-air concept, embracing the outdoors. One of the defining features of this modern masterpiece is its open-air concept, which allows the boundaries between the indoors and outdoors to dissolve. Large, retractable doors open the living areas directly to the surrounding rainforest, offering residents the sensation of living in the heart of nature. The design encourages natural ventilation and allows the sounds of the forest to filter into the home, creating a peaceful and serene atmosphere. Whether you're relaxing in the living room or enjoying a meal in the dining area, the open-air concept ensures that sustainable design, a home with a green heart. Sustainability is at the core of the Rainforest Open Air Residence. The design incorporates eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems that minimize its environmental footprint. Solar panels on the roof provide renewable energy, while rainwater harvesting systems are in place to reduce water consumption. The use of locally sourced materials, such as bamboo and recycled wood, not only supports the surrounding community but also helps to reduce the home's carbon footprint. Furthermore, the residence was designed with the goal of reducing energy needs, using past Maximizing views, framing the rainforest. The Rainforest Open Air Residence is all about maximizing its connection with nature. Every room in the house has been strategically designed to offer expansive views of the surrounding rainforest. The living spaces feature floor-to-ceiling windows, while the bedrooms are positioned to allow the sunrise and sunset to be viewed from the comfort of the bed. The architects also took into account the natural flow of the terrain, placing the house in such a way that each room feels like it is suspended within the trees. This careful attention to the landscape ensures that the occupants are Natural materials, earth meets elegance. One of the standout features of the Rainforest Open Air Residence is its use of natural materials that bring warmth and sophistication to the design. Reclaimed wood, stone, and bamboo are used throughout the home to create an organic yet modern aesthetic. The wood, in particular, gives the residence an earthy feel that ties it to the land. Large stone features, such as the custom-made stone fireplace in the living room, anchor the design and add a sense of permanence to the home. These natural materials not only make the residence feel more grounded but also contribute to its seamless indoor-outdoor living, patios and terraces. A major part of the Rainforest Open Air Residence's appeal is the extensive use of outdoor living spaces. Patios and terraces extend from nearly every room, offering residents multiple opportunities to enjoy the fresh air and breathtaking views. The outdoor spaces are designed to be as luxurious as the indoor areas, with plush seating, dining areas, and fire pits perfect for evening gatherings. The integration of these outdoor spaces creates a sense of freedom and expansiveness, ensuring that every area of the home feels connected to the rainforest, no matter where you are. Blurring the boundaries, indoor-outdoor flow. The boundary between the indoor and outdoor spaces is not just blurred by glass walls but by design elements that extend throughout the house. The same natural materials used inside are carried through to the exterior spaces, creating a sense of continuity between the two. The open-plan design also plays a crucial role in ensuring that the home flows effortlessly from one area to the next. Large sliding doors and windows enable the entire living space to open up, enhancing the sense of freedom and connection to the outdoors. private retreats, tranquil bedrooms and bathrooms. The Rainforest Open Air Residence is not only about communal living areas but also about creating private, tranquil retreats. The bedrooms are designed to be serene sanctuaries, with large windows that allow natural light to flood the space while offering unobstructed views of the surrounding rainforest. The bathrooms are equally luxurious, featuring freestanding tubs with floor-to-ceiling windows that provide a natural view of the forest. Each room is designed to be a personal retreat, allowing the residents to unwind and relax in an environment that feels Conclusion: a harmonious fusion of nature and modern design. The Rainforest Open Air Residence is a testament to the power of design to create spaces that are not only beautiful but also sustainable and in perfect harmony with their surroundings. It shows that luxury and nature can coexist, offering a lifestyle that is not only indulgent but also responsible. Whether you are looking for inspiration for your own home or simply want to admire the beauty of cutting-edge architecture, this modern masterpiece is a stunning example of how a home can blend seamlessly with its natural environment. If you enjoyed exploring this rainforest retreat, don't forget to like, subscribe, and